uDokotela uPhaahla uthi izwe selibhekene nehlandla lesine lokwenyuka kwezibalo zabasuleleka nge-COVID-19 njengoba umbiko wayizolo uveze ukuthi bangaphezulu kweinkulungwane ezilishumi nomuvo abantu asebesuleleke ngalesisifo nokuchaza ukuthi izibalo zinyuke ngeinkulungwane eziyishagalolunye kuleli sonto.
Over the last 7 days, the new spike has moved into the whole of Gauteng, and it's also registering presence in all our 9 provinces, with numbers starting to rise in the Western Cape, in KZN, in Limpopo, in the Northwest, and in Mpumalanga, also with high positivity rates. There are many who have taken only 1 dose, even though they've long been due for the 2nd dose. We really appeal to them to come forward and complete their vaccination so that they can be fully protected. Because what we have also seen is that while having at least 1 dose does provide some protection, but it's just not enough because it doesn't provide the full protection which is required.
Ukuthelelela ngalesisifo kuqale kulabo abasebancane kepha manje sekushana kulabo asebekhulile. Senyukile nesibalo sabangeniswa esibhedlela ikakhulukazi eGauteng lapho kubonakala isibalo esithe xaxa sabatheleleka nge-COVID-19 kanye nabashonayo eTshwane. Izibalo seyiqale ukwenyuka eKapa kanye naKwaZulu Natal kanti eNorthern Cape naseFree State izibalo zisephansi okwamanje.
It's been a really rapid increase in Gauteng, initially starting in those clusters in Tshwane, but quickly spreading to all districts, and we're seeing increases in all districts. Increased case numbers and positivity especially in those provinces that are bordering onto Gauteng, so seeing increases in Limpopo, Northwest and Mpumalanga. Starting to see some increases in the other provinces as well.
ICD ikhathazekile ngokwenyuka kwesibalo sezingane ezingeniswa esibhedlela kanti kuzobekwa eceleni isibalo esithe xaxa semibhede yezingane.
There is a possibility that there is just a difference with this variant and in this wave, with it being more transmissible, possibly that kids can be more susceptible. But we do know that there is an immunity gap, with adults being with higher coverage of vaccination in adults. Children are then susceptible, especially children who are not vaccinated.
Kusenjalo Umnyango wezempilo uthi kusafanele kuphenywe umthelela we-Omicron ngaphambi kokunquma ukuthi izibalo zabashonile ngenxa yokugula okweyamene ne-COVID-19 zidalwe yilomxhantela. IGauteng ithi inemibhede kanye nemishini yokuphefumula eyanele ukubhekana nesibalo sabangeniswa esibhedlela. Uhulumeni uzoqhubeka nomkhankaso wokunxenxa abantu ukuba bagome kulempela sonto ivuma vaccine drive ukuze izwe lifinyelele kubantu abangamaphesenti angamashumi ayisikhombisa abagomile kuleli.